We're testing a new theme for our website, but whenever we do it, it causes a dip in Google Ads performance. Why would this be the case? Side note, we verified that tracking was set up correctly.
Yeah, so depending on what you're doing instead of Google Ads, but Google Ads on search is actually a search plus DSA campaign. And what I mean by that is Google is actually taking your Google Search Console and indexing what it believes it knows about your business and using that even if you're bidding phrase match or exact match on search, for example. So what this means is when they say, hey, how is your landing page experience? It's what it's doing is also, and your quality score is also what is on your website. So when Google says, okay, if you're going to bid on that keyword, let me check your website first. I understand who you are and what you are about. I've read your H1 through H6 tags. I've seen your schema markup. I see your title tag. I see your description tag. I see your alt image tags. I now know everything about your website. And then it has performance and it builds off of that. Well, then all that changes and it says, okay, new website. New website. So now I got to relearn, then reestablish. So anytime you make large theme changes, what you're doing is you're not necessarily making everything look different from Google. You're changing where things were and what it knew about you. It's almost like you put your shoes on the same shelf every day, and then you put your shoes in the kitchen, and you're going to look at the shelf and be like, uh-oh, now you got to stop and look around and find out your shoes are in the kitchen. The shoes are still in the house. They're just in a different position. Same exact thing. One way to speed this up is if you do a theme update, hop into Google Search Console, re-index your site. That'll help speed that up if you have to make a theme change.